What's the meaning of commuter? Commuter. Commuter.
Commuter. Commuter. A commuter is a person who regularly travels from their home to their workplace or school, typically over a relatively short distance. The term usually refers to someone who travels by public transportation, such as buses or trains, rather than driving their own vehicle. Commuters often face long and crowded commutes, dealing with rush hour traffic and delays. Despite the challenges, commuting has become a way of life for many people in urban areas, as it allows them to live further from their workplace while still being able to access job opportunities.